The exponential growth of innovation in communications, data centers, computing, and AI continues to push semiconductor performance to the limit. Developers in these areas need new features, higher performance, more capabilities, and they need it yesterday. Traditional semiconductor design addresses these demands by packing more transistors into a smaller area, requiring lengthy development cycles and process technology advances. But with each generation, building millions or even billions of transistors on a shrinking die gets more challenging. Maintaining a torrid pace of innovation requires different, more creative approaches to semiconductor design, like breaking the chip design into smaller modules or chiplets. Intel leverages chiplet-based design with advanced packaging techniques for a modular approach, adding new functionality by integrating different chiplets. With this method, Intel develops and delivers new product features rapidly, reducing time to market for leading-edge capabilities. Embracing this innovative approach, Intel has pioneered an advanced chiplet development ecosystem, enabling a wide array of chiplets that are sourced from multiple foundries, designed by a broad range of IP developers, and built on the optimal process nodes for the function. This early adoption of chiplet-based design has produced a long list of industry firsts, where groundbreaking capabilities are introduced at an accelerated rate, like the first 58 gigabit per second transceivers, first PCIe Gen 4 in an FPGA, first FPGA to break the 10 million logic element barrier, first to demonstrate 2 terabits per second chip-to-chip optical connections, first FPGA certified to support PCIe Gen 5 by 16 at the full 32 gigatransfers per second rate, first 64 gigasample per second data converters, first 116 gigabit per second transceivers, first Intel Agilex Direct RF FPGA, and the first FPGA to support PCIe Gen 5 and Compute Express Link. Today, interconnects and specialized features such as PCIe, CXL, data converters, and more are available through chiplets and Intel FPGAs and throughout the Intel Custom Logic Continuum, including Intel ASIC devices and full custom standard ASICs. And we're just getting started. Intel will continue delivering on the promise of Moore's Law, offering the most advanced, industry-leading custom logic devices by pathfinding options for chip-to-chip optical communication, exploring new ways to deliver better AI, and adopting the Universal Chiplet Interconnect Express, or UCIe standard, in our next-generation FPGAs to meet the needs of our increasingly connected and accelerated world. To find out more about Intel chiplet innovation in its FPGAs, visit us online.